Adobe is a software company well known for its wide range of creative, multimedia, and productivity tools. Here's an overview of their main product categories. 1. Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud is a suite of applications primarily used by creative professionals for design, video editing, photography, and more. The applications in Creative Cloud include Photoshop, industry-standard software for image editing and graphic design; Illustrator, vector-based design software for creating logos, icons, illustrations, and more; Premiere Pro, professional video editing software for creating high-quality video content; After Effects, software for motion graphics and visual effects; Lightroom, photo editing software aimed at photographers for organizing and enhancing images; InDesign, page design and layout software for print and digital publishing, e.g., books, magazines; XD, user experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design tool for designing websites and mobile apps; Audition, audio editing software for sound design and mixing; Animate, software for creating animations and interactive web content; Dreamweaver, tool for web design and development; Fresco, digital drawing and painting app for artists. 2. Adobe Document Cloud, focused on productivity tools for managing documents; Adobe Acrobat, the leading software for creating, editing, and managing PDF documents. Acrobat Pro offers advanced features like editing PDFs, adding signatures, and converting file types. Acrobat Reader, a free tool to view and comment on PDF files. Adobe Sign, digital signature solution for securely signing and managing contracts and forms.